Here we have the redesigned 2014 Toyota 4Runner. This one is limited. Nice wheels. Go ahead and touched it up with black and new center caps. Let's see, the sticker price on this is roughly $46,000. That's with destination. Camera's actually not picking it up that well. Projector headlights, LED taillights, park assist, which has the sensors in the bumpers. Go ahead and start it up. Couple new things they changed: memory powered seats, ventilated seats as well, cooled and heated. Park assist right here. Smart key with push button start. Starts right up. It's a brand new vehicle with 3 miles on here. Does have the new in-tune navigation system. It does also do audio video as well. Obviously the vehicle has to be parked. You get a couple other cool features. If you go to apps, yeah, sports, stocks, fuel prices, Facebook, movie tickets, Yelp, Bing, Pandora, Open Table. A lot of features right here. Here's the ventilated seats right here. Nice wood shift knob, wood trim as well here. All the controls right up here on top too. Downhill assist control, SOS, stability control, home link, controls for the moonroof. Interior's nice. Volume controls. Does have a JBL system on here. Go ahead and take a look at the back. JBL. 2 outlets as well for tailgating. You got a cigarette lighter or cigarette power and AC 120 volt for plug. And you can go ahead and see the difference in the front end with the projector headlights.